Hey guys, Justin YT here, and welcome back to another episode of How to Code a Bukkit plugin. So yes, here we go with episode 3. Today we are going to go over a basic event with creating, we'll do join and leave messages. So this is very easy, so what you're going to want to do is just create your new Java project. And we're just going to call this join. We actually did the wrong thing. Can we rename? Dang it, we'll just delete. Alright, so also guys, an easier way to just create a new project is just press on the new button, then press double click Java plugin or just press next. And then what you can just do is, let me just X out of Minecraft since this is lagging me out. Alright, so then we're just going to call it join leave. Alright guys, so now we just gotta do our basic stuff, build path, configure build path, add external jars, spigot server, and then source, new, package, me dot Justin YT, dot join leave. So this is going to require 2 events. So an event is something that happens on a player join or something. So now we're just going to create our class. We're actually just going to call the class main. And guys, we will get into multiple classes eventually. But yes, we're just going to do normal extends Java plugin. But instead, now we're going to do implements listener. What it's going to do is it's going to implement a listener. So a listener is what you get out of an event, and you're trying to import it, org.bukkit.event.listener. So yes, what it's going to do is it's going to listen for events. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do at event. Actually, no, we got to do our public stuff. Public void on enable. And I'm actually just going to do a new startup way. So it's going to be system out print in. It's going to be join leave enabled. So yes guys, this is actually really easy to do, but this is basically the same thing as the logger thing. This is still logging data. I just think it's a better method. It's more professional, it looks to me. Disabled. There we go. Now we just have to add one more there. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to create a new event. We're going to do at event handler. It'll be red until we get going. But at event handler means anything after this is going to be an event. So what we're going to type is public void. And we're going to do a join message first. Or we can do whatever we want on join. So we're going to do public void, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to do on player join. Then we're going to do player join event, E. So E is a variable for events, and player join events, we're just going to import org.bukkit.event.player and import at event handler. And then end off that line. So yes, this is an event handler, and it's on player join. And this, so now we're going to do player p equals e dot get player. And that is basically, we got to import player. So that is basically the variable player p equals e dot get player, which is event dot get player. So yes, so now we're going to do e dot set join message. And we can do it whatever we want. We're just going to do chat color dot green plus p dot get name plus has joined the server. And we're just going to do a cute little smiley face. And yes, that is basically a join event. And now it's basically the same thing for the other thing. So for the leave message. So we're going to do public void on player quits. We're just going to call that. And we're going to do player quit event E. So this is gonna do that one. We actually could do p dot set health 20. We are just going to set their health. And yes, public void on player quit events. Now we need to import that, so we're just going to do Control Shift O. So yes, guys, we run auto import Control Shift O on Windows, Command Shift O on Mac. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing. Player p equals e dot get player. There we go. And now what we're just going to do is we're going to do e dot set quit message, then chat color dot red plus p dot get name plus left the server. Then we're gonna do a sad smiley face. So yes, that is basically our events. So we are basically just about done. But now what we need to do is in our on enable, it's not just going to read these events. Bukkit is not that simple and Java is not that simple. So we need to register the events. So the way you're going to do this is, oh God. Hold on, let me think for a minute. Bukkit.get server .get plugin manager, and then dot register events, this and this. So this is basically saying that it's just in this class, the events. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And now we gotta create our plugin YML new file. And next episode we are getting into basic permissions, and after that we will get into a basic config file, and then we'll get into teleportation, I think. Yeah. And now we're gonna do name main. So we're gonna do name. It's going to be join leave main me dot Justin YT dot join leave dot main author Justin YT version 1.0 description a join leave plugin. Alright, so then we don't have to do the command section. So now we're going to do Control Shift S to auto save everything. Then we're going to do file, export, jar file, and find your plugin. Where is it? Oh, God. I swear it's right here, but I can't find it. Join leave. Alright, so we're going to call this join leave. I actually coded a plugin called Simple School. So I created a school plugin. Finish. And then we could open up our test server. And just to show that the plugin works, I am not going to show an example of how it works. No, we could do that. We'll just boot up some MC right here. It'll just lag like crap. So, let's just wait for the test server to load up. Alright. And yeah, guys, that is my skin. That is on Food World, actually. I pop on there once in a while, and I actually have a friend who is a moderator. Alright, so here we go. If you guys don't know what Food World is, go check out LP Diamond's videos. That'll show you what Food World is big time. He does a lot of videos on there. He only has 5 videos though, but yes, guys, please subscribe if you guys are enjoying the videos, because I am doing these quite a bit, and this is taking a lot of my time, and I do it out of volunteering. I don't do it for pay. I don't code for anyone else but myself usually. And I do code at school because my genius hour, if you guys know what that is a thing. Is a coding a Bukkit plugin, but they have Mac OS X 10.6.0 and it needs 10.7 to update Java and use Eclipse. So I can't use it at all. That's why I have to use this computer, and I do all the work at home. Yeah. Right. Hold. It's okay. Press on multiplayer, and let's go to the test server. Here we go. Cool. All right. So this should work, and so our join and leave messages. So yes, guys, as always, the code is in the description if you guys want it. Kidding me? Didn't work. What did we do? I already have a join message for my login. What's wrong? We actually already set the join message with one of our other plugins. You guys should not have this error. It's just that with my Inferno Commands plugin that I'm working on, I actually